Good morning, children. Today let us discuss about number systems. The subtopic is basics of number system. Already you know, in our daily life, we are using the count or the measure. Anyway, by using the numbers. Already in earlier classes, natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Is called natural numbers. It is the natural number system. The natural numbers are denoted letter n. So 1 is the smallest natural number. The largest natural number cannot be determined. Next, natural numbers including with 0. Natural numbers including with 0 is called whole numbers. Natural numbers including with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Natural numbers including with 0 is called whole numbers. Next, integers. Integers, whole numbers including with negative numbers. Whole numbers including with negative numbers. I or Z. Whole numbers. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2 and so on, infinite. And negative numbers means -1, -2 and so on, infinite. Here, natural numbers denoted n and whole numbers denoted w and integers denoted I or Z. Z means jalan. Jalan means, what is the meaning of jalan? Jalan means to count. Next, difference between rational and fraction. First, fraction. Fraction and rational. What is the difference between fraction and rational numbers? So fraction means any fraction. Fraction means, what is the definition of a fraction? Fraction means a part of a whole. Fraction means a part of a whole or a whole part. So fraction, it is in the form of numerator and denominator. A by B and B is not equal to 0. The denominator must be not equal to 0. A comma B belongs to are whole numbers. Next, rational numbers, the denoted letter Q. It is in the form of P by Q. Here, Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to the integers. Here, P comma Q belongs to the integers. Here once remember, students, all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers may not be a fractions. What is the difference between fraction and rational number? Every fraction is a rational number, but a rational number, all rational numbers need not be a fraction. Okay, now the rational numbers denote letter Q. A number can be written as P by Q form. Any number can be written as P by Q form and Q is not equal to 0 and P comma Q belongs to the integers is called a rational number. Rational numbers denoted letter Q. Q means quotient. What is the meaning of Q? Quotient. The rational numbers are called quotient numbers. Next, irrational number. Rational number and irrational number. Rational numbers means a number can be written as P by Q form, and irrational number means a number cannot be written as P by Q form. A number cannot be written as P by Q forms. What are the examples of irrational numbers? A number cannot be written as P by Q form. Root 2, root 3 and 2.5 and 2.13, 113, 113, 1113 and so on. These are the examples of irrational number. Irrational number means a number cannot be written as P by Q form. Rational number means a number can be written as P by Q form. Next, real numbers. Real numbers means the union of rational and irrational numbers. The union of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. The real numbers denoted letter are equal to the union of rational and irrational. Rational numbers means Q and irrational numbers means Q dash. Real numbers. A number system representation of a number line. Natural numbers denoted by n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Number line means here the least number, the smallest number 1. So starting 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, whole numbers. Number system starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, starting with 0. Okay, the line start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Next, integers I means first in minus infinity to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And it is a ray. Now it is a line. So in the middle 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay, rational numbers denoted letter Q. Q means a number can be written as P by Q form and Q is not equal to 0. P comma Q belongs to the integers. Okay, 1 by 2 represent on a number line. For example, 1 by 2 represent on a number line. 1 by 2 represent on a number line means 1 by 2 between 1 by 2 lies between 0 and 1. 1 by 2 between 0 and 1. 1 by 2 means it is the between of means 0 to 1 means it is the middle part of 1. 0 to 1. It is the 1 by 2. Next example. Represent minus 3 by 2 on a number line. Represent minus 3 by 2 on a number line. Minus 3 by 2 on a number line means it is the negative, means left side. It is the 0, next 1, next 2. Next, first one is minus 1 by 2 and second one is minus 2 by 2 and the third one is minus 3 by 2. Next, represent on a number line. Represent on a number line 1 by 2 and 5 by 3. 1 by 2 and 5 by 3. Now 1 by 2 and 5 by 3 means both are the positives. Both are the positive means take the LCM of 2 and 3. First find LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 3 by 6. Next, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means 10 by 6. Okay, now draw a number line. It is the 0. Next, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Next, 4 by 6, 10 by 6. 10 by 6 means it is the 5 by 3. Locate on the number line. Locate irrational numbers on a number line. Locate root 2 on a number line. Locate root 2 on a number line. Okay. Take the roller and draw a line. Okay. Take a roller and draw a line. It is a 0 and measure 0 to 1. It is a 1 unit. Next measure, it is a 1 unit. Now join. It is a point A and it is a point B. Okay. It is 90 degrees by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. OA means 1 unit square plus OB means 1 unit square equal to AB square. 1 square means 1 square means 1. AB square equal to 1. So AB equal to square in this side means root 2. So locate root 2 on a number line. Next, second one is locate root 5 on a number line. Locate root 5 on a number line. Root 5 on a number line means 5 can be written as the sum of the squares of two numbers. 5 can be written as the sum of the squares of two numbers means 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square plus 1 square means 5. 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, now draw the number line. It is the point O to B 1 unit. Next 2 units. O to A 2 units. Now AB square in the same way. AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. AB square equal to OA. OA means 2 square plus OB means 1 square. So AB square equal to 2 square means 4. 4 plus 1 5. AB equal to root 5. Okay, it is a value root 5. Locate root 5 on a number line. Next example, locate root 10 on a number line. Root 10 on a number line means the same way. 10 can be written as the sum of the squares of two numbers. The sum of the squares of two numbers means 10 can be written as 3 square plus 1 square. 3 square plus 1 square means 9. 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Now take a roller and draw a number line. Take O. Draw OB 1 unit. Next OA 3 units. Now join. Now by the Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. OA means 3 square plus OB means 1 square. 3 square means 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 means 10. AB square equal to 10, AB equal to root 10. Okay, locate root 10 on a number line. It is the root 10. AB equal to root 10. There exist infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, A and B are two rational numbers. Here, A and B are two rational numbers. There exist, suppose there exist n rational numbers between A and B. N rational numbers between A and B. The numbers are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. A plus and D. These are the rational numbers between A and B, where D equal to B minus A by n plus 1. B minus A by n plus 1. It is important. Between A and B, n rational numbers can actually we have infinite rational numbers, but in our problem they are given n rational numbers, 1 rational number, 2 rational numbers, 3 rational numbers, like that. Okay. Let us take example. Find a rational number between 2 and 3. Find a rational number between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means just apply the formula. A equal to here A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. B equal to 3. A rational number means we want only one rational number. N means no. N equal to 1. Now first find D. D equal to B minus A. 3 minus 2 by n plus 1. N means 1. 1 plus 1. 3 minus 1 means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number between 2 and 3. In the same way, example, find 3 rational number between 2 and 3. Find 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Same problem. Same here. A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. N equal to how many rational numbers? 3 rational numbers. N equal to 3. N equal to 3. So first find D. D means B minus A. B minus A means 3 minus 2 by n plus 1. N means 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means 3 minus 2 means 1. 3 plus 1 means 4. 1 by 4. Here D equal to 1 by 4. But we want 3 rational numbers. 3 rational numbers means by using the formula A plus D. A already you know. A 2 and the next number 2 plus 1 by 4 and the second number A plus 2D. 2 plus 2 into 1 by 4 and the third number A plus 3D. 3D means 3 into 1 by 4 and the last number 3 between 2 and 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 by 4. 4 to 6 1 9 by 4 and 2 ones 2 twos 4 plus 1 5 by 2 and 4 to 6 8 plus 3 11 by 4 3 9 by 4 and 5 by 2 and 11 by 4 are the 3 rational numbers between 2 and 3. So in the same way 8 rational numbers, 9 rational numbers and n rational numbers. Now let us discuss Some problems exercise 1.1 1.1 exercise. First one, is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not equal to 0? Okay, solution. Yes, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Yes, Nana. 0 can be written as p by q form. What is the definition of a rational number? A rational number means a number can be written as p by q form. 0 can be written as p by q form. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. It is in the form of p by q. And where p and q are the integers, observe p is 0. 0 means it is a whole number. All whole numbers are the integers. So p is an integer. Q is also integer. P and q are the integers. P, q belongs to the integers. And q is not equal to 0. Here q equal to 1. It is not equal to the 0. Okay, second problem. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We know the formula. A and B are the two numbers. Here A equal to 3 and B equal to 4 are the two rational numbers. Between n rational numbers means n. 6 rational means n equal to 6. Now we can find D equal to B minus A by 4 minus A by n plus 1. N plus 1 means 6 plus 1 equal to 1 by 7. Actually, what are the numbers? A one number and the next number is A plus D and A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D and B. Between two numbers. Here the 6 numbers. A, D already we can find. A means 3 plus 1 by 7. 3 plus 2 and 1 by 7. 3 plus 3 into 1 by 7. 3 plus 4 into 1 by 7. 3 plus 5 into 1 by 7. 3 plus 6 into 1 by 7. These are the numbers. 3 plus 1 by 7. 7 3s 21. 22 by 7. 7 3s 21. 21 plus 2. 23 by 7. 7 3s 21. 21 plus 3. 24 by 7. 7 3s 21. 21 plus 4. 25 by 7. 26 by 7. 27 by 7. These 6 numbers are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason. Next, first problem is every natural number is a whole number. True. True, because 1 is a natural number as well as a whole number. 2 is a natural number as well as a whole number. So in the same way, all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on the natural numbers, it is also a whole number. So the first statement is every natural number is a whole number. True. And the second statement, every integer is a whole number. It is a false, because every integer is a whole number. So minus 1 is an integer, but it is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. And minus 2 is an integer, and minus 2 is not a whole number. So the second statement, every integer is a whole number, it is a false. And the third statement, every rational number is a whole number. It is also a false. Okay, because rational number 1 by 2 is a rational number, but 1 by 2, it is not a whole number. And minus 3 by 2, it is a rational number. Minus 3 by 2, it is not a whole number. So every rational number is a whole number is false. Okay children, tomorrow let us discuss about decimal expansions of real numbers.